We have the TRS-80 system, the Model I from 1980. I've got it on eBay at the moment. Get the 16K level 2 keyboard, the realistic cassette recorder and interface cable, TRS-80 Model I power supply, 240 volt version, and black and white video display. There it is. So I'm going to show it loading a game which is included with it, called Stellar Escort. I've got it all set up, ready to go. So let's start it loading, press play on the tape. Okay, let's see. So there it is loading the splash screen. Old school 500 baud tape loading. It will take a little while. This game at least tells you how long it will take to load. So it's saying 4 minutes, and there's the countdown there, around 4 minutes. I'm going to switch this off and come back towards the end of it because it's going to be tedious waiting the whole 4 minutes. Okay, so we're coming into the last 30 seconds of the tape load. You can see the tape turning there. Back to our screen. Well, we've got 21 seconds to go. Sorry about the glare in the room, but it is what it is. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stellar Escort. So there you have it. TRS-80 Model I system, fully working, loads tapes, comes with a tape recorder of course and a game. If you're after retro computing and looking for one of these, this will be a good pickup. So thanks for watching, and you can look for this computer on eBay.